Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I got this very cool product for all of you guys who are not trying to get the iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. But for those of you guys who are getting the iPhone XR, this is the product for you guys. And I don't have just one, two, or three. I have 4 of these different color options that you guys can actually purchase. And pretty much what it is the iPhone XR cases. So I'm gonna do an unboxing and then show you guys how it looks like and what comes inside the package first. So when we open the package, pretty much what you get inside is the actual case itself that's actually wrapped in a little bag. So they give you the accessories to actually put on the actual case itself, which is the wet wipes and dry wipes. And then they give you a happy or not happy card right here. And then they give you a screen protector to actually apply the screen protector on your case. So that's really nice of them. And the screen protector is actually really good durable quality of glass, if you guys can tell. And then last but not least, we have the case itself. So here we have the interior layer that's really nice, if you guys can see. It's a very nice soft material to actually protect the case itself. And everything about the product is really nice as well. So if you guys look at the side, we have the buttons right here, off and on button, and then here's the camera option right here. And then on the bottom, you have the slot to actually charge it, and then the slot for actual speaker or whatnot. So overall, the quality of the product actually feels really nice. It feels like a very soft and smooth material overall on the case itself. Inside is soft, outside is smooth, fits really nice, but give me 1 second, guys. Alright, so now that we talked about the case of what it comes with and how it looks like, now to show you guys what are the options. So there is a black option, there's a pink option or sand pink option, and there's a yellow option and there's a red option. So it really comes down to which one you guys want more. So pretty much now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it. So since this phone is kind of just came out brand new and it's kind of like, I guess, a little bit high demand, for those of you guys who want to go for that cheaper option and you guys want a really nice case, here you guys go. This is a very nice color option. Quality is definitely there. This is actually the same kind of quality as the ones that you guys can actually buy from the Apple Store. So don't waste your money at the Apple Store and go buy one of these. These take around like a week to ship. So if you guys are willing to wait a week to ship this product to you guys, then definitely go for it, especially for the price range that this one goes for. But pretty much long story short, yes, it is worth it, because why would you not get a case to protect your phone? Because if you drop that phone and it breaks the glass in the back, $600 right there. Break the front, that's $200 or $300 to repair if you don't have Apple Care. So definitely go invest in one of these because of the fact that it comes with a case, it comes with accessories to actually apply the glass screen protector, and it provides you the glass screen protector for your phone. So you're pretty much getting it all in one in here. So why would you want to spend so much money to repair your phone if you ever drop your phone? But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have